Welcome to Sirappu Suvai. Today we will make mixed vegetable Kadai Subzi. It's a very tasty dish. For that I have taken 2 carrots and cut up to pieces, taken 100 grams of beans and cut it to small pieces. I have taken about 150 grams of cauliflower and cut it to small pieces. I have taken about 2 tablespoons of green peas. I have taken frozen peas, you may use fresh peas. In a kadai, add about 2 tablespoons of oil and add the cauliflower, finely cut beans and finely cut carrots, and add the green peas and saute well. These vegetables have to be half cooked in the oil. There is no need to use more oil and deep fry it. By cooking it in about 2 tablespoons of oil, the vegetables will be well cooked and it will be very tasty. So, mix them well and cover it with a lid and let it cook for about 5 to 6 minutes. By then, let us make the masala for it. I have taken 2 Kashmiri red chillies. It is not spicy, it is only for color. I have taken 2 small bay leaves. If you have a big bay leaf, you can use 1. I have taken 2 cardamoms, 1 black cardamom and 2 cloves, 1 piece of cinnamon stick, a piece of ginger and 2 cloves of garlic. I have cut 1 tomato and 1 medium sized onion to small pieces. Now, the vegetables would be half cooked. When they are half cooked and then we make the masala and process the subji, it will be very tasty. So, take the half cooked vegetables and put them in a bowl. Now, add 1 teaspoon of oil to the kadai and fry the spices. Now, add all the masala spices to it and fry it. It will be very aromatic. Now, I have taken a small piece of mace. Mace is a very good ingredient. It will be very aromatic and it is good for digestion also. If you do not have mace, you may omit it. Now, when the chillies and other masala spices are well roasted, add the onion and tomato and saute. Onion and tomato should cook really very well. If this is the first time you are watching my channel, do subscribe, press the bell icon and choose all option, when you will get notification for all the videos I post. Now, grind the masala to a fine paste, add about a tablespoon of oil to a kadai, and when the oil is hot, add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. When the cumin seeds splutter, add 1 medium sized onion cut to small pieces. Cook it on medium flame so that it will be well cooked. In a bowl, take about half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. I have taken half a teaspoon of chilli powder. If you want more spice, you may add 1 teaspoon of chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Add 1 tablespoon of water to it and mix it well and keep, so that it will mix very well with the vegetables. Now, when the onions are cooked, add the tomatoes. The tomatoes also should cook very well. It should be a little mushy. At this time, add the mixed masala powders to it and saute well. This will give a very good fragrance. Add 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi, which is also going to be an addition to the taste, and it is a real good ingredient for any subji. So, saute well and add the vegetables, half cooked vegetables to it and saute it well and add the ground masala to it. When you add the ground masala to it, it is going to be very aromatic, so that you will know that the subji is going to be really very tasty. Mix it well and to this add 1 tablespoon of raisins and 1 tablespoon of cashews. The raisins are not going to be sweet, they will take the masalas and it will be very tasty. Mix well and add 1 tablespoon of cream. If you don't have cream, you may add little milk to it. Now mix everything well and add about a cup of water to it. Saute well and now add salt to it. I have added 3/4 teaspoon of salt. You may add salt as per your taste. Add the salt and mix well, cover it and let it boil for about 5 to 6 minutes. When it will be done, and it will be very tasty. Cover it. In 5 to 6 minutes it will come together like this and start boiling well. Now you can garnish with coriander leaves, and it's the very tasty Kadai Subzi. It's a simple and tasty Kadai Subzi. I am sure all of you are going to subscribe and try this dish. This can be taken with rice and chapati or anything, and do comment without fail. Let's meet in the next video.